Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai style rice soup or ข้าวต้มหมูทรงเครื่อง First, I'm going to prep all our vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna start with our cilantro and the green onion. Okay, I will put the cilantro on the side. I use the whole thing. I use the cilantro stem and the cilantro leaf. I use everything. And next, I'm gonna chop our green onion too. This green onion come from my backyard. And I put the green onion, the same container with the cilantro. We can put it together. They're gonna use together, so no matter. Okay. And same thing, I use everything for the green onion too. You just have to finish cut it. Okay, and same thing with the celery. I will cut small too. They so fresh, come from my backyard too. Okay, and now I done cutting our celery. And same thing, I gonna put it on the side. And next, I gonna go ahead and cut our mushroom. Okay, and this is a baby bell mushroom, and for the mushroom I will cut them to the square side. I will chop into the little square side like this. Okay, and now I finished dice our mushroom to the little cube. I'm gonna set it on the side also, and I'm gonna move on to the next vegetable. Is a carrot. I will cut the carrot to the little cube too, and I only gonna use just half carrot. Okay, for the carrot, I only gonna use just half, and I use the top part. I'm gonna peel them. I'm gonna cut into the same side to the mushroom. Okay, now done with the carrot. The carrot I just gonna put back to the plate. Okay, and next I have to do just peel the garlic and chop the garlic and our ginger. And garlic set on the side. Okay, this is a 2 cups of garlic that I chopped. And last thing for the pep is our ginger. So for the ginger, I just gonna remove the skin, and I gonna use I just gonna slide them, big slide. Just gonna remove the skin, and also I clean the knife after I chop the garlic because the garlic very sticky. Okay, and for the ginger, I will just big slide like this, because we're gonna put inside the broth. Okay, and put in with the carrot. Okay, now I done with all the pep, and now we're gonna start cooking. Okay, now we start cooking on the low heat. Okay, inside my pot. Now I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons the vegetable oil. Okay, put about 2 tablespoons. Okay, now it's already hot. I'm gonna put our 2 cups chopped garlic. Make sure the garlic not burn, so keep the fire low. Okay, I'm gonna stir until our garlic smell really good and turn to the golden. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn on the heat up a little bit to be medium. For the rice soup like this, it's very easy. As you know me, I'm the pregnant lady before, and now I'm being a brand new mom. So this is recipe. It will be very easy, and it will be one of your favorite breakfast. Trust me if you try this recipe. Okay, and now our cow turkey start cooking. Now we're gonna add our mushroom. Okay, mix them well. And for the cow turkey, I use 85%. I use a little bit fat. I like how the flavor. But if you don't like fat, you can use the red one. It's up to you. Mushroom, cow turkey. Okay, next we're gonna add our seasoning sauce. Okay, first I use the Golden Mountain soy sauce. I will use the 2 tablespoons. Oops. Sorry, it's brand new bottle. Kind of comes slow. And next, I use the oyster sauce. I will use 2 tablespoons oyster sauce also. Okay, oyster sauce. Okay, and the last seasoning I'm gonna put the fish sauce. That's why I make a very unique favorite with the Thai style the rice soup, because we add the fish sauce. Tasty fish sauce. Okay, I just gonna use the 1.5 tablespoon for the fish sauce. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's it for the fish sauce. Okay, and stir, stir, stir. Mushroom and cow turkey. They cook it together. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit spice, the black pepper. I use half teaspoon black pepper, and also add a little bit sweetness, 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna mix well again. Alright, after put all the seasoning, and you can see mushroom already cooking, and with the turkey already cooking, take about 5 to 7 minutes. And now I'm gonna remove our mushroom and turkey to the side. I'm gonna put into the bowl. I'm gonna remove our cow turkey and mushroom, the stir fry. This is our topping. It smells really good already. Okay, after I remove them all, I'm gonna use the same pot for make our broth, our soup. Okay, now after remove all the meat and I set on the side, next I'm gonna start make our broth for our rice soup, and I'm gonna use the same pot, and I'm not gonna rinse it because all the flavor still in here. So I will use the 8 cup our chicken broth. This is my homemade, so you can see. Okay, I will use 8 cup of them. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna let our broth cook just a few minutes for getting a little bit hot before I add some seasoning. Alright, and for the broth, we will keep it simple. And you can see the foam start getting on the top and a little bit fat on the top. We can remove this after. Okay, and now I'm gonna put our ginger, the sliced ginger. If you have big ginger, only use like 3 or 4 slices, but I have small ginger, so I will put it all. Okay, put some the diced carrot. Okay, put it all. And also I'm gonna put the 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, and this is my homemade broth. It's already a little bit salty, so I use the, if you use unsalted, maybe you might add a little bit more salt. Okay. And next, this is a secret ingredient. Maybe a lot of you guys never see this or not have this at home or cannot find this. If you cannot find this, because it only have the in Asian grocery store. If you cannot find it, just skip this one. But this one will add the umami flavor. This is preserved cabbage. It's only 3 ingredients inside here. So cabbage, salt, and garlic. It smells good. It smells good actually. It look not look good, but it smells really good. This is only adds an extra flavor into the broth. Okay, in Thailand we only use this. Okay, I will use the 2 teaspoons. Okay, 2 teaspoons. Alright, and let this our broth cook more. Okay, I will let our broth cook about 3 or 4 minutes because they start getting the simmer already. So I'm gonna let the lid, put the lid on top and let it cook. Okay, and now I let it simmer about 5 to 7 minutes for let our carrot cook. And now let's see it together. Wow, see, and now you still see the fat on the top. I'm gonna remove the frame fat on the top. Here, this one. Yep, I will remove this. So I remove the fat and on the top and throw away, and next I'm gonna add the Chinese celery. Okay, extra flavor. Add them all. Okay. Now you can see some green and some orange, and just let it come to be boiled again, and we're done. That's it, we all done. And you can see it's very easy, and also a lot of recipe for the rice soup, and this is one of our favorite recipe. So, and for the rice, for this recipe, it's already cooked, so we're just gonna, this is a cooked rice, so we're just gonna add the rice into the bowl, into the serving bowl. Okay, right now everything done, we just have to put everything together. In some recipe they write the rice to be a little mushy, but for this recipe we separate, we not put inside the broth because we want the rice to not be too mushy. Okay, so just add the rice. Matter you rice, you want more rice or less rice, this is up to you, because everything is on the side. It's up to you right now. Okay, and this master rice that I put in the bowl, and now we can add our broth. Okay, have to be careful, I'm sorry. Okay, and now our broth covered rice, and now we add another topping. Okay, I'm gonna add the cilantro and green onion. Sprinkle allow. Same thing is up to you. You want to put red or you want to put little or much, up to you. And add our ground turkey and mushroom on top. Look at this. And for this, we need to have it. It's a crispy garlic on top. Okay, and also some white pepper. You gotta have these two things, white pepper and the crispy garlic. Okay, and for the crispy garlic, I already have the recipe to show you how to make the crispy garlic. You can click the link below, I'll put it for you if you want to make the fresh crispy garlic. And also, now we can enjoy our rice soup. Look at this bowl, how beautiful. Okay, that's it. Now I'm done and I'm ready to try our rice soup. You can see how it looks delicious. Okay, nice and easy and delicious, and they have a lot of recipe. If you rice the mushy rice, you can put the rice into the broth, into the pot, but if you don't like to mushy rice, just do like I do. Okay, now get everything over here. You just have to mix everything. Actually, you just have to mix everything well together and go with the big bites again. So perfect. This is the perfect breakfast. By the way, this recipe requested by the cameraman. Actually, he rubbed the rice soup with the not mushy style rice soup, so he requested this recipe. Okay, just mix well and eat them, and you will love them. I cannot wait to eat them all right now. Even not breakfast, you can even have for dinner. That was good too. Okay, I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for the next recipe. Thank you. I'm going to prep all our vegetable, and today, hold on. I'm going to prep all our.
Go ahead. Yeah.
First, I'm going to prep all our. Oh, I'm saying this Chinese celery come from my backyard. Very fresh too, and you can see that. You can hear the baby. You can hear the baby crying. Oh, let mommy work, baby. Okay. Okay, and now I finished cutting our dice. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, and now I finished dice our mushroom to the.
Dice our mushrooms to the little cube. Go.
Okay, now I finished dice our mushroom to
dice, not die. Go.
Okay, now I finished dice our mushroom to the little cube.
Go.
Okay, after remove all the meat, now I forget.
It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, after remove, I'm just gonna wait just a minute. See, hold on. Okay, and now we done. Okay.
Go.
Okay, now we done. Okay, that's it. Now all we done. All.
Go.
That's it. All.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Now I'm done.